Welcome to Wendy's Heavenly Dishes, and thank you for stopping by. Now let's get cooking.
Step 1, make the crust. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In your blender, add 1.5 cups of rolled oats and half a cup of shredded coconut. Blend until fine and crumbly. Now add 1/4 cup of almond flour, 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and just a pinch of salt. Blend it all together. It should hold when you pinch it between your fingers. Press it evenly into a 9-inch pie pan. Bake for 8 minutes until lightly golden. Then set aside to cool. Step 2, make the sweet potato filling. Mash 2 baked sweet potatoes, that's about 2 cups. Add half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of almond milk, and 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Stir in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Blend until smooth and creamy. Step 3, pour and bake. Pour your sweet potato mixture into the baked crust. Smooth the top and bake again for 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees F until set and lightly golden. Let it cool completely before adding your topping. Step 4, maple cinnamon whip. Scoop the solid part from 1 chilled can of full-fat coconut milk. Add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. Beat it in until light and fluffy. Step 5, assemble. Spread or pipe that maple cinnamon whip over your pie. Dust with a little cinnamon and slice a piece of pure joy. That's heavenly right there. This pie is dairy-free, gluten-free, and made with pure love. Healthy doesn't mean flavorless. It means made with love, wisdom, little soul. Stay blessed, stay full.